Hi everyone, very good morning. I am back with day 7. So today we are going to work a little more deeper into our breath. So before we start, mentally prepare yourself for the session. See the place where you are sitting, a simple place where you can drop your mat. In case if you are not able to sit on the ground, you can also sit on the chair as well as on your bed. Okay. Make sure that you keep your spine straight, drop your shoulders down, turn your palm to the ceiling. Before we start, let us just take few breaths just to get our mind and our body in one line. Okay. Now close your eyes. Take one deeper breath in and breathe out. Deep breath in and breath out. Breath in and breath out. Now slowly open your eyes. Let us start with Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. So by this day I am sure you know how to practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. So each time you inhale, you are going to hold your breath inside for a second or two before you exhale. Okay. So we are going to use a right hand, second and third finger will be closed inside. First and your fourth finger will use to close the nostril. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Now first take a complete breathe in and complete breathe out. Throw all the air from your body once. Deep inhale and exhale completely. Then close your right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right again. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath in 1, 2, 3. Exhale from the left. Now by yourself practice this for some time. Count in your mind. Continue to breathe in, breathe out slowly and longer. Continue to breathe in, breathe out and hold your breath inside and try to keep your focus on the breath. Try not to get distracted with the thoughts. You should know what you are doing. Now after this exhalation, drop your hand down. Keep your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Now just breathe normally. Try and see if you have any difference. Now slowly open your eyes. Next one we are going to practice Brahmari Pranayam. So in this Pranayama you are going to keep your eyes closed with the help of your second and third finger. And you are going to close your ear lids with the help of your thumb. Okay. So third one you are going to keep your mouth closed. Now either you can keep your mouth closed normally or you can keep your tongue twisted inside. So basically you are going to roll your tongue in and you are going to try to touch your tip of the tongue to the upper lid and mouth closed. Okay. So if you are confused, if you do not know how to use your tongue rolled inside, keep it normal, does not matter, it is fine. If you understand how to practice, just roll your tongue inside towards upward towards the upper lid and keep your mouth closed. Alright. So once you do this, you are going to take a deep breathe in normally from your both the nostril, but when you breathe out, you are going to create a makara from your mouth. If you do not say makara strongly, you will not create a vibration. So try to focus on the creating the sound. I will tell you how to practice and you can practice along with me after this. Okay. Now first you are going to close your eyes and your ears. Don't press your ears too hard so that you can't hear my instructions. Now when it comes to tongue, either you roll it inside or keep it normal. Now as you inhale, take a normal breath in. Exhale, you are going to create a makara. Just watch me for the first time. Now just quickly open your eyes and see me once. So it was a demonstration how to practice. Now do not drag your breath for too long. Try to just keep your breath for 5 to 6 seconds. It should be your normal little longer breath out, that's it. So don't try to really drag it with the sound which is not needed. Alright. Let us practice this 4 times continuously and focus on creating the sound. Eyes closed, ears, breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Last one. Breath in, breath out. Now keep your eyes closed, drop your hands down. Do not open your eyes, do not be in a hurry to open your eyes and see the world. Now just try to keep your eyes closed and see what kind of vibrations do you feel at this moment. Just observe your mind, observe the vibrations. Slow down your breath. Focus on your heartbeat. If you are able to follow the instructions, if you are able to relax your mind, if you are able to create the silence inside you, you should be able to hear the heartbeat clearly. So just try and focus on that. Keep your forehead relaxed, face relaxed. Now observe your stomach and the chest moving along with the breath. Stay with yourself. Now with a deep breath in, deep breath out. Get your both the palm together in Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm nicely, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you so much for practicing. Now I am sure you are feeling better. Please drop a comment, how did you feel? And if you like practicing with me, like the video. And if you want to see next series on your, if you have anything in your mind, drop a comment. It will be helpful for me to understand that what kind of a practice that you all want to do with me. I will be looking forward for it, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. I am also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.